The mystery dog illness. What does it sound like if your dog has it? Then the more serious clinical signs. What your dog could look like with pneumonia. At the end of the video, I'll announce the 10 supplement winners. Are you looking to learn more about natural pet health and wellness? You've come to the right place. Click the link to subscribe to Veterinary Secrets. This mystery respiratory disease in dogs, it's been circulating for at least the past 6 months. It's been seen in multiple US states as well as Canada. Many clinicians, they're now calling it atypical kennel cough, but in my opinion, it is far from typical. The disease, it seems to show up in 3 different ways. Number 1, it's mild to moderate cough, which can last somewhere between 6 to 8 weeks, not responding to any of the traditional veterinary treatments. Number 2, a chronic pneumonia. Once again, many of these dogs are developing a pneumonia, and it's not responding to many of the conventional veterinary medications. Then number 3, some of these dogs develop a severe acute pneumonia. They're incredibly sick in a very short period of time. They spike to fever. And the big concern here is most of these dogs with this pneumonia, they're not responding to conventional treatments. Initially though, it is a cough. And here are some dogs that have pretty classic signs of kennel cough. What are you coughing? What you're hearing is this raspy, throaty cough. Almost sounds like these dogs are forcing air coming out of their abdomen. And it's a cough which is not going away. Anytime you have a dog that has this sort of typical dry hack followed up by this retching and gagging, then you really want to be thinking of kennel cough, but also keep in the back of your mind, could it be this mysterious respiratory disease? Not every dog that has kennel cough or has this mysterious respiratory disease is going to have the exact same type of cough. So here's an example of another dog that has something similar. This dog also had kennel cough, but not the exact same sound. Then my first suggestion here is that you start treating your dog with some of those home remedies that I've shared in previous videos, such as the green tea, the honey, and the slippery elm. Next, then you're going to be monitoring your dog for more serious signs of respiratory distress. This is when we're thinking that the disease is progressing, it's going into your dog's lungs, your dog may be developing pneumonia. You're going to see a dog that has difficulty breathing, like this dog here. It may show up as labored breathing. You might see these deep abdominal breaths. You may see these marked expanded chest wall movements. Some of these dogs, they're going to press to the point where they're cyanotic. They're not getting enough oxygen. To check for that, you can lift up your dog's lips. With a dog that is cyanotic, these pink gums are no longer be pink, they're going to be bluish or blue tinged. And that's just a further sign that your dog's disease, the pneumonia, has progressed, and you need to be seeing a veterinarian as soon as possible. The other big marker of concern is if your dog spikes a fever. If your dog feels hot, especially you feeling his ear tips, they feel extremely hot, get yourself a rectal thermometer, take your dog's temperature. A normal dog temperature is 38 to 39.2 degrees Celsius. It is 101 to 102.5 degrees Fahrenheit. The big thing here is number 1, you're recognizing if your dog has a cough, suspect it's kennel cough, you're treating with an appropriate remedy and or seeing your veterinarian. But then if the disease progresses, so you're seeing clinical signs of pneumonia, which we've seen in the video, you're seeing your dog has a fever, you're seeing your dog has cyanotic gums, you're getting in and seeing your veterinarian as soon as possible. This video should give you a better sense of what your dog could sound like if he or she has this mysterious respiratory disease. Last month, I posted a YouTube video asking for feedback on some of our supplements. I'm super grateful for all of you who participated. I'm going to list all the 10 winners in the description box below. If you're one of the winners, please contact us and then we'll send you off one of your supplements of choice. Thanks so much for watching this edition of Veterinary Secrets. Click up there to subscribe, hit the bell to sign up for notifications, and when you click that link directly in the box below, I can send you a copy of my free book.